So, how do you begin operating a machine like this? Well, you don't start here. We start at the computer.
Alright, so the first thing we want to do is open up our slicer. I'm using Simplify 3D. This is what we use at the Making Center. This is what I use at home. Next, we want to take our models and import them. So we have the free-range chicken and we have the rocket pack. Now, you see they're overlapping each other, so to fix that, we hit Center and Arrange, and it reorganizes the models. Next step is we want to change these settings to print nice and fast. So first we want to change our material to PET because that's what we're using. Next we'll slide our percentage of infill to 15 and we'll play with the layer height. 0.1 will be really fine, but it'll take a long time. So we're going to change that up to 0.3 and it'll print much faster, but it'll be a lot rougher. Last but not least, we want to make sure that there's support material being generated to allow these overhangs to print. So we'll go back to support and we'll make sure it's only from build platform because I don't want to deal with all the support material inside of this hole and trying to get that out. So it'll only build support from the plate itself and nowhere else. So we'll hit prepare to print. It will slice the G-code and the model, and then you could preview it before you print so you can go through each layer and see what it'll look like. And if you're happy with what it looks like, then you just hit save to append, save, and you're done.
Once you eject the card, take the card out, go back to the printer, insert your card, then we hit the click wheel, we hit print from SD and free range chicken, and now we start recording.
Once your file is sliced and printing, after the first couple of layers, 3D printing is a very hands-off process, and you can feel free to leave and do whatever you want. Hopefully you have something to do, but watching the printer is just as fun as anything else. Printing the free-range chicken and his jetpack took about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Once the print is done, you can remove the flexible bed from the printer, and don't drop it like I did, but instead flex the sheet in and out until the print pops off. Removing the support material should be a breeze, as long as you slice the file right. You could honestly use your fingers, but I prefer to use a pair of pliers as it'll make the process a lot more simple and you won't cut your fingers. Make sure to treat the Making Center and your own desk with respect and clean everything up once you're done. Now for assembly. Pop the two pieces together, have a cool rotating shot, throw some paint on it, and you're done.